Unlock the secret to a thriving newsletter business by mastering Beehiiv's powerful setup features. First, let's create your publication. Click on the Create Publication button and give your newsletter a catchy and memorable name. This is the first impression you'll make, so choose wisely. Next, dive into your publication settings here. You'll fine-tune your publication name, description, and crucially, configure your custom domain. If you have one, this adds a layer of professionalism to your brand. Branding is key to standing out. Upload your logo. Choose a color palette that reflects your brand identity, and set your favicon, that small icon in browser tabs, for consistent recognition. Now, let's talk about monetizing your hard work. Beehiiv offers flexible subscription options. Set up your free tier for broad reach, and then define your paid tiers, outlining exclusive benefits for your premium subscribers. Your email settings are vital for direct communication. Configure your sender name and email address, ensuring your newsletters arrive from a trusted source. Then, explore the intuitive content editor to draft your first compelling newsletter. Finally, let's activate growth tools. Explore features like referral programs to incentivize sharing and embed sign-up forms on your website to capture new subscribers effortlessly. These steps lay the foundation for your newsletter's success.